It used to be what moved the sneaker was the story that it told. Well, when it comes to Manière and their collaboration with Jordan Brand, hands down, they got some of the best storytelling out there. Unfortunately, this could be the last collab we see between the two companies due to the fact that there's a pending case that possibly could be coming out. But until we know all the facts, we're withholding judgment. In any case, do you think these look better than these? Let's talk about it. What's going on YouTube? Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel back again to do a special unboxing of a collab sneaker that is highly anticipated, and man, let me tell you, they did not disappoint with this pair. We're going to get into the Jordan 5 Manière Dusk. But the first thing we got to do obviously is take a look at this box, and I love the imprinted A's all over the box itself, and hopefully you can see that there, guys, with the Jordan's Jumpman there on each side of the lid. But the box itself reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP Black Burgundy Crush Black. This is a size 12. Once you pop open the lid here, you do have the print of Michael Jordan himself wearing a pair of Jordan 5s with Manière written across, which I think is a really unique feature that I'd like to see from a collaboration shoe. In any case, you do have the Manière tissue paper that comes pretty much in every one of the Manière collaboration sneakers, but we're gonna get into the sneakers right now. And here you have the Jordan 5 Manière Dusks. And the first thing you'll probably notice is how black these actually are. Now, they do come pre-laced with black laces, but I went ahead and switched those out. Black laces here, and there is an extra set of white laces that come with the shoe as well, just like the Dawn pair had, but something about the Sail pair in here makes these pop, and it somewhat has like a glow effect. You know, something about the richness of the black makes the Sail pop off here really hard. Plus, you also have the aged caging on the lateral and medial side of the shoe itself. And if you look close there, you do have the Manière A's that actually make up the caging. And if you look behind the shoelaces there on the tongue, you still have the Manière A's creating the caging there on part of the tongue. At the top of the reflective tongue, you do have the Manière A. And when you turn around to look at it from behind, you got Manière written there behind the tongue. And if you look closely, you got a burgundy color there and the Manière A's helping to make up the liner of that burgundy backing. And if you take a look at the inside of the sock liner, it is all black with Nike Air stitched down there on the insole foot pad, but you see closely that the sock liner is actually made of the Manière A's as well. Now, on the outside of the heel, you've got 23 imprinted in there, which is also black, and on the back of the heel, you have Nike Air written in all black as well. The midsole itself is all black with some burgundy shark teeth there, and you can see somewhat of the aged outsole, but flipping around here to the outsole itself, you got the aged translucent outsole with the Jumpman there, and in the back of the heel, same thing, guys. Switching over to the right shoe, pretty much everything is the same on here, except on the top of the tongue, you do have the Jumpman there, and then behind that, you got the Michael Jordan signature. Same thing with the burgundy A's. Same thing with the sock liner over here, but taking a look here at the aged outsole, you got the Manière A. And also on both shoes, you do have Manière written there on the Air unit, which I think is also a very nice touch. Now, me personally, if I was to change anything on here, I probably would have put the 23 in maroon, burgundy, and same thing with the Nike Air on the back. I would have done burgundy for that as well to kind of match with the shark teeth, because if you take a look here at the Dawn pair, you can see that they match the 23 there in blue with the shark teeth. Same thing with the Nike Air there on the back. You know what I mean? Plus, you also have burgundy behind the tongue, just like with the Dawn pair. You got blue there behind the tongue, which is a match to, like I said, that Nike Air and the 2-3. That being said, guys, let's take a look here side by side of the shoes, and you let me know what you think you're feeling more. Is it the Dusk pair or is it the Dawn pair? Now, besides all that, no matter which you choose, the storytelling itself is really unique. These are to represent, as they say, despair, you know, the hardships, the toughness you got to go through to eventually see the light and get to the dawn, the victory, you know. But you got to understand where it is you're coming from in order to appreciate the victory you'll eventually get to if you stick with it, you know. And I love the Manière storytelling that they do. Each shoe has a meaning behind it, and to me that makes it that much sweeter. But I want to know what it is you would go with, you know, if you had to choose one. Is it the Dawn pair or is it the Dusk pair? Me personally, as great as these are, I still think the Dawn pair takes it, in my opinion. Something about it draws me to these, you know. I don't know what exactly it is, but I remember just initial pictures. I was drawn to these over these, but I like these a lot more even now in hand. I mean, these had to grow on me a little bit, but I was instantly attracted to this pair. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions when it comes to the Jordan 5 Manière Dusk. Hopefully you were able to cop these. Smash that like button if you are enjoying this video, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscriber button, click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.